What is up people, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add picture on TikTok videos. So let's begin our video. So first of all you need to click on this middle plus icon and you just need to take a photo at first. You just need to take a video at first. So you can see I just take a video. There you can see. Okay, your first work is complete, first step. Now you need to select on sticker at the right corner. There have option sticker, select it. Okay, now you can see there have a option plus and photo logo, you can see. So you just need to select on this plus photo and your gallery is showing now. So now you can select any photo from here. I just select a photo, then okay. Now you can see this is your photo. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, or anywhere, anything you can do. So you just replace anywhere. So that's it. Now select on next and you can post it. So guys, I will show that how to add picture in your TikTok video. So you can see you already add a video on your you already add a picture on your TikTok video. So guys, in this way you can add picture in TikTok videos. I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.